Alright, little documentary here on the slime quick spare. See if this thing actually works. Here we have our tire that is deflated. You're supposed to just screw this on. That makes contact. Looks like you need to hold it a little bit so it doesn't leak around the edges. Yep, pretty impressive. This was a small tire. Certainly had a small tire. Looks like I have quit. Expanding, unscrew it. Well, there's an issue. Better grab your little, there you go. Aired it up, we'll run it a few miles, distribute it around, and come back and put a little more air in it. Looks pretty good.